Hi there. Welcome to Jackson-Massaro Coaching. Today, we're diving deeper into EFT tapping, building on what you've already learned about the tapping points. Whether you're here from my 30-day tapping challenge or just curious about how this amazing technique can help, I'm so glad you're here. Let's walk through the rest of the EFT recipe together. Now that you've got the tapping points down, let's talk about how to apply them in your life. EFT tapping is typically used when there's a strong emotion you want to reduce. Stress, anger, sadness, or any physical sensation tied to those emotions. Step 1 is identify the feeling. First, tune into that strong emotion or physical sensation in your body. It could be anything that's bothering you right now. Got one? Great. Now give that feeling a rating on a scale of 0 to 10. 0 means you're completely calm, while 10 is the highest intensity of that feeling. Don't overthink it. Just go with the number that pops in your mind. Once you've got your feeling and rated it, we move on to the setup statement. This is where the real magic begins. You'll start by tapping on the side of your hand, the karate chop point, while acknowledging how you feel. The basic formula is simple, but powerful. So even though I have this feeling, maybe it's stress or anger, I deeply and completely accept myself. You can repeat this setup statement 2 or 3 times to really tune into it and connect with that feeling. Now it's time to tap through the EFT points while using a short reminder phrase that captures your emotion. Here's how it goes. I feel stressed. I feel stressed. I'm feeling so stressed. I feel stressed right now. All this stress in my body. Feeling so stressed. I feel stressed. I feel this stress in my body. That's one full round of tapping. You can do 2 or 3 more rounds with the same words, or tweak the wording if something else comes to mind. And pause for a moment. Take a deep breath and check in with yourself. What's your number now? Has it shifted? Keep tapping until that number decreases to something like a 0 or a 1, indicating that the intensity has lessened. You might be wondering, how does EFT work for so many different things? From reducing stress to alleviating chronic pain and even tackling phobias. Here's the cool science behind it. EFT is fundamentally a stress reduction technique. When we're stressed, blood flow to the prefrontal cortex, or the part of our brain responsible for clear thinking and decision-making, it gets restricted. That's why when you're anxious or overwhelmed, it can feel impossible to think straight. By tapping, we're essentially sending calming signals to the brain, helping to lower that stress response. Research shows that when we tap, we not only feel calmer, but our brain actually functions better. The prefrontal cortex re-engages, inflammation levels can decrease, pain may lessen, and overall, we're able to think more clearly. That's why EFT is so versatile. Whether you're dealing with daily stress, chronic pain, cravings, or phobias, you're addressing the stress that's underlying these issues. One of the most effective times to use EFT is right when you're in the middle of a strong emotional state. Maybe you're feeling overwhelmed or angry or deeply sad. Don't wait. Start tapping immediately. You don't even need to find the perfect words. Just stay focused on the feeling in your body and keep tapping. The process will help you stay grounded and begin to release that emotional intensity. EFT is an incredible tool that's backed both by ancient wisdom and modern science. By reducing stress, we're not only helping our minds, but we're also supporting our physical health. So the next time you're feeling stressed, remember, you have this powerful technique right at your fingertips. Thanks for tapping along with me today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, or subscribe to stay connected for more resources. I'm Kim Jackson-Massaro, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until next time, be well.